Let me ask one question, Abhi. What are your destinations, the favorite ones in India you would like to go to?
Well, if you like the mountains, the Himalayas, of course, the highest mountain in the world. There's Himachal Pradesh, with this like Manali, Dharamsala, and whatnot you can visit. Another great place to go driving and trekking.
Yeah.
If you want the beach, there's the south. If you go to Kerala, you go to Goa. Kerala is great if you like the whole Ayurveda spa thing.
Okay.
So it depends on what you want.
Okay, well, I'm still exploring all that. Though I've traveled quite a lot in India, but these nice destinations I haven't seen so far. So I'm too waiting to know which place our winner will choose to go together with the both of you.
Yeah,
Mountains.
absolutely mountains.
Mountains.
I agree, especially now.
Yeah.
Mr. Eberhard, I'd like you to tell everyone. I think what is very special about this luxury tourer is what is the cost of this class luxury tourer?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to announce today the B180 CDI. This beautiful car is priced at 22.6 lakhs ex showroom here in Mumbai.
चलेगा फ्रेम में पीछे सब बाइक कार में बैठे हुए हैं हाँ रोल करो
तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव जाना हो किस तरह की कार पसंद करेंगे और क्या क्या पसंद करेंगे उस कार के अंदर
रेडी अगर लॉन्ग ड्राइव करनी हो तो फिर गाड़ी बड़ी होनी चाहिए. आई लाइक बिग कार्स. लग्जूरियस भी होनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमारी सड़कें आपको मालूम है काफ़ी ख़राब भी हो सकती हैं यहाँ वहाँ. आई थिंक इन दैट सेंस जो मर्सिडीज़ कार अभी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं हम द बी क्लास, ये सेडान भी है और एसयूवी भी है. इट्स अ सॉरी कैन स्टार्ट अगेन. हाँ, सो अगर लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर जाना हो तो फिर मैं एक बड़ी गाड़ी प्रेफर करूँगा. तो जो अभी मर्सिडीज़ कार लॉन्च हुई है द टूरर, आई थिंक ये परफेक्ट है क्योंकि सीडान भी है और एक एसयूवी भी है. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. सो यू नो फॉर एग्जांपल द ग्राउंड स्पेस इज मच हायर व्हिच इज गुड फॉर आवर स्ट्रीट्स एंड इट्स अ लग्जरी कार सो इट्स स्मूथ ऑन द रोड्स. एट द सेम टाइम यू नो इट गोज द डिस्टेंस. या आई थिंक ये परफेक्ट गाड़ी है.
अबे क्या देखते हैं हम बिफोर बिकमिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी ब्रांड.
सॉरी,
What are the things you look into when becoming a part of any brand? What are the three things?
what do I look for? Well, it should be a good brand in the sense it should be a reputed one. So Mercedes in that sense, I don't have to explain to you. It is obviously a reputed brand. It should be a brand that's been around for a while and proved itself. It should be a brand that also delivers on what it promises. And I think all of this Mercedes has. And I'm attracted to brands like that. There's integrity, there's history, you know, they're aesthetically beautiful as well.
कुछ यादें शेयर करना
क्या
चाहेंगे?
question?
Yeah, how much of a backpacker are you? And if you talk about traveling in cars with friends and going somewhere, how much of a backpacker? Can you just share any such experience you've had so far?
In fact, funny बात ये थी आज कि मैं काफ़ी बड़ा बैकपैकर हूँ. मतलब कि लग्जरी होटल्स में रहना और बहुत पैसे खर्चा मैं करता नहीं हूँ. पर एक जगह पे मैं थोड़ा लग्जरियस रहूँ, वो है अपनी गाड़ी को लेकर, which is actually true. तो ये this whole luxury touring thing जो उन्होंने समझाया मुझे fit in perfectly because the only thing luxurious about my touring is the car I drive, and Mercedes fit into that very well. The rest of it, it's really much backpacking, as you asked me. I do like to backpack. I like to stay in way out hotels, boutique hotels, not 5-star hotels, and yeah, and trekking is something that I passionately
The
pursue.
first car in your life, sir. The first car.
Three short questions. Your dream car?
मेरी dream car is the Mercedes 500 SL.
And first car you bought?
The first car I bought was a Maruti Swift.
Maruti Swift. Okay. And what car did you drive when you learned when you drive it?
The car I learnt on was a Tata Sierra. I learned driving. In Bollywood, whose collection of cars I envy? I don't know anyone with that much of a collection. My brothers love Mercedes. They have a few of those.
So they want to envy.
Yeah, I love the cars they
That's what
have.
they share with
My brother had the 500 SL. Yeah. So that was very jealous.
Favorite place to drive in?
Favorite place to drive? वो Delhi Manali circuit जो है ना, that's fun. That's fun to drive.
अबे दिल्ली गैंग रेप के जो 5 जो सस्पेक्ट थे उनमें से एक का आज वर्डिक्ट आने वाला है और वो 18 इयर्स से नीचे है. तो हमारे देश का कानून है कि जो 18 इयर्स से नीचे होता है उन्हें सज़ा नहीं दी जाती. 3 साल के लिए उन्हें इम्प्रूवमेंट जोन में डाला जाता है. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि उस लड़की के साथ कितना जस्टिस होगा?
ऐसे इवेंट में ये प्रश्न करना काफी ऑड है, पर आई एम ग्लैड यू आस्क्ड. वो क्या 6 महीने से, अभी 6 महीना कम है ना 18 से, वो
जी
ही
हाँ.
17 and a half.
Yes, but
तो ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक केस बाय केस लेना चाहिए. ये केस में जहाँ पे एक्सेप्शनल वायलेंस है और ब्रूटैलिटी ज़्यादा थी, तो फिर आपको देखना चाहिए कि 17 साल का लड़का अगर ये कर सकता है तो क्या वो वाकई बच्चा है कि अडल्ट है. मेरे हिसाब से उसको अडल्ट जैसे ट्राई करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये केस ही ऐसा है. और अगर हम इतने रिजिड हो जाए अपने लॉज को लेकर के हम एक्सेप्शन नहीं ले सकते, तो फिर वो लॉ का क्या फ़ायदा. क्योंकि जैसे हम देख रहे हैं इस केस को लेकर, ब्रूटैलिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी. सो वो सिंपैथी कम है इन लोगों के लिए, और सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए. जो उन्होंने उस लड़की पे किया है शायद उस पर वही करना चाहिए.
Romantic memory with the car you have with us for the
Romantic memory with the car? I guess going for long drives with the various girls I pursued.
For example, any one you remember that you want to tell us?
No.
Okay, Abhi, could you tell me in terms of glamour and fashion, you know, this car is very fashionable.
Yeah.
And I think you are also very fashionable.
Thank you.
So how does it go? Like, how did you choose and say, okay, yes, you know, I'm going to go and promote the brand? Could you just share a little bit about that?
Well, I think Mercedes as a brand is a luxurious brand, you know, and glamour and luxury go hand in hand. So it kind of fills in all the boxes, so to speak. And I think glamour and luxury is something that you don't just get it. You sort of work towards it. You achieve it at some level, and it comes over time. So I think it's something to be looked up at, because you can't just throw money at something and say, oh, it's a luxury brand. It has to have integrity, it has to have history. And I think that's what Mercedes as a brand has, and which is why it is a luxurious and a glamorous brand.
What's happening on the professional front, Abhi? What's there in the pipeline?
What's in the pipeline? अभी मेरी फिल्म मैंने एक प्रोड्यूस की जिसका नाम है 1/2. वो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में है. मेरी खुद की प्रोडक्शन है वो, इन कोलैबोरेशन विद साइनोजो. उसके अलावा काफ़ी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं इस वक्त. 2-3 फिल्में मुझे पसंद भी आई हैं, और जब मैं साइन करूँगा तब उनके बारे में बात करूँगा.
अभी आपको लगता है कुछ ज़्यादा जल्दी आप प्रोडक्शन में चले गए ना, और यू बिकम अ प्रोड्यूसर?
वो तो फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद ही मालूम पड़ेगा सर. अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता तो फिर मैं प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता.
Abhi, have you ever sat beside anyone whose driving has scared you?
All the time. Actually, I have to be honest, I'm a control freak. Even when I have a driver, my driver sits in the passenger seat and I drive.
So you're not the fast driving kind?
No, I am the fast driving kind, as long as I'm the one driving fast.
Who's a better driver, man or woman?
I'll get in trouble for this. I think men are better drivers. Don't kill me for it. Yeah, I have a woman who says she agrees. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.